In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lines in Lucidchart. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who's simply eager to refine their diagrams, this tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their Lucidchart skills. First things first, let's navigate to your Lucidchart diagram. If you're already logged into your Lucidchart account, you'll want to open up the specific diagram where you'd like to make changes to the line styles. This is your canvas, so to speak, where the magic happens. Now, I'm going to walk you through how to access the line style options. If you look towards the top of your screen, you should see the toolbar. It's the main hub for editing your diagram's aesthetics and functionality. One of the options here is the line style, which is what you'll need to modify your lines. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to not only standardize the appearance of your diagram, but also to communicate multiple levels of information visually. Once you've spotted the line style option, go ahead and click on it. This action opens up a variety of choices that you can apply to the lines in your diagram. From here, you can select different line styles, providing you with an opportunity to tailor your diagram according to your needs. It's a straightforward process, and the visual changes happen immediately, so you can see the effects of your selections right away. Next up is changing the width of your lines. Still within the line style menu, you'll come across an option named line width. Clicking on this allows you to adjust how thick or thin your lines appear. This feature is particularly handy if you want to emphasize certain connections or reduce clutter. It provides a significant amount of flexibility and control over the look of your diagram. In addition to style and width, there's another option simply titled Line, where you can make more specific choices about your line's appearance. Whether you're aiming for a sleek, minimalist look or a bold, attention-grabbing design, this setting gives you the tools to execute your vision precisely. Finally, we have the endpoint option. This is where you can tweak what appears at the ends of your lines, offering yet another level of customization. Perhaps you want arrows, circles, or even no endpoint at all. This feature allows you to add these finishing touches. It's particularly useful for diagrams that aim to show direction or the flow of processes. And there you have it. By exploring these simple yet effective line customization options, you can transform a standard diagram into one that is both informative and visually appealing. Keep experimenting to find what works best for your particular project. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.